Hi, welcome to yet another exciting PowerPoint tutorial by EdSolver Learning. In this video, you will see how we can use links in our PowerPoint slides effectively. Generally, we use simple navigations provided by PowerPoint itself. But there are times when we need the links so that we can directly jump to a particular slide and then we can return back to our main slide. So in this video, we will see both the methods by which you can use links effectively. Let's get started. So first of all, in this presentation, we have 4 different slides and one main slide from where we want to navigate throughout the project. In this case, we are having a 4-step process of our business wherein we want to present the idea, our plan, implementation and review. But we also wish that it should not be a linear way. We want to navigate from any step to other step. For that, we can use hyperlinks in PowerPoint slide. First of all, we need to select the text on which we are going to apply hyperlinks. Then move to Insert tab. In Insert tab, you can select the option of link. Now it provides us various options that which content do you want to link this text with. So for this, we will simply select the slide which we want to represent with this text. So let's say for this example, we wish to use idea slide. So whenever we are presenting our presentation, if we click on idea, this slide should appear and we will click on OK. Now in the same way, we can select plan design slide, implementation slide and review slide. Simply go to insert a link, select the relevant slide and click on OK. Let us do the same for the third and fourth. Now this is making it a little bit difficult as the color of the font automatically changes whenever we use any hyperlinks. So for that, we can change the font colors or we can even use the different colored background. Right now, for practice purpose, just let us use this one. Now let us test that whether our links are perfectly linked with respective slides or not. So whenever we will be presenting it in the slideshow mode, we can simply select or click on any of the link. If we wish to go directly to implementation, we just need to click on implementation and it will directly provide us that slide while presentation. But there is a limitation of using links directly for the slides. To go back to your main slide, you either need to provide another button or you need to scroll back. So to remove this limitation, instead of slide, we can select a custom slide show. In a custom show, PowerPoint provides us one option that we can show and return back to the main slide. So let's say for this link, we will select the text and instead of slide, we will select a created custom slide show for the same slide. Then we will tick mark on show and return and we will press on OK. In the same way, we will also change the links of all the text and we will tick mark on show and return after selecting a link to a custom slideshow. Remember, this option is not available if you link to a particular slide. You need to create custom shows so that you can show that particular slides and you can return back to your main slide. Let us link all this text with a custom shows instead of its respective slide. Alright, so now you can see that all the contents we have linked it with a custom show. Now let us test that whether we can return to our main slide or not. So now when we will move back to our slideshow mode, if I select plan design, I have just kept one slide in this custom show. So whenever we will simply press enter, it will return back to the main slide. And now when we click on review stage, After that, when we will click on enter, it will again return back to our main slide. So we can easily navigate throughout the slideshow. You can use these techniques to improve your navigation during your slideshow, and you can even jump, skip, or add any other content while presenting online. So that's it for this video. See you next time with some more interesting tutorials on PowerPoint.